I think I saw 4%
Yeah,
humidity.
yeah, that's
low?
exactly right. Yep,
Yeah.
that's exactly right. We had
That's
some
good.
gusty winds in that area, and that's kind of what we're talking about, though. You start ending up in the lowlands with the fires first, so that's what we're starting to see.
Yeah.
Not a total surprise. And tomorrow, red flag warnings, East Mountains all the way through the I-40 corridor and up across southwestern Colorado as well. So the red flag issues will continue, and the low humidity will continue as well. We're at 8%. At 9:40 in the evening here in the metro. So again, that's pretty low stuff, and 71 degrees here in the city. Across the north, temperatures in the 40s and 50s for the most part. Down to the south, 50s, 60s, and 70s. Today's highs definitely saw a big time warm up across the board. 81 here in the city. Santa Fe at 77, 89 out in Tucumcari, low 90s, Roswell, Carlsbad. We were in the mid to high 80s across southwestern portions of the state. So obviously that helped the fire situation, meaning help the fire situation grow and not contain it in any way, shape, or form. Now, as far as what's going on right now, we do have a few clouds beginning to stream across. We will see increasing humidity levels into the weekend, but until then, we're still going to remain pretty dry and with some gusty winds out there as well. So look for a cool night across the north tonight, but mild elsewhere. And across the northeast, a weak cold front comes in for tomorrow. Not going to have a huge impact on the weather. More than anything else, we're going to be breezy to windy with warm temperatures as well. Heading into Friday, going to be looking at a similar scenario. Storm system starts to approach, though, coming up for Saturday and Sunday. The storm combined with a cold front will have a chance to impact our weather, especially across the eastern side of the state. But I don't see much happening across the west over the next couple of days because this system, as it comes across, is going to affect the north a little bit more than the south. But even beyond that, it's really the cold front that we're going to be watching more closely here as it comes in early in the day on Sunday across the northeast with the chance at showers here. And then we'll squeeze it into the metro area Sunday night. Less of a risk of showers, more of a risk really of gusty winds and cooler temperatures here in the city coming up late Sunday and Monday. And statewide, we'll have higher humidity levels and cooler temperatures on deck for the beginning of next week. Problem is we rebound very quickly temperature-wise to be warm once again later on next week as well. Let's go region by region. Temperatures for the most part in the 60s, sunshine, mild conditions. And then into Friday, partly cloudy with a shot at showers. Saturday and Sunday with that system coming through. 70s for the most part across the northwest. Sunny and breezy west winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. And mostly cloudy skies by Saturday. Over to the southwest here. Lordsburg close to 90 degrees tomorrow. 87 in Deming with southwest winds 10 to 20. Not great firefighting weather. Meanwhile, over to the southeast, sunny and breezy here. Temperatures anywhere from the 60s in Cloudcroft all the way up to the 70s in Carrizozo and low 90s, Roswell and Carlsbad. Up across the northeast, temperatures start in the 30s and 40s and wrap up in the 70s and 80s. Northern mountains will top it out tomorrow in the 60s and 70s with breezy conditions as well. Down into the East Mountains, temps here for the most part in the 70s for tomorrow. Will be windy, especially late in the day with gusts up to around 35 miles an hour. And here in the metro, we'll top it out in the 80s once again with west winds 10 to 20 miles an hour out there in your extended forecast. Well, we see the temps start to slip a bit by Saturday into Sunday. And then our coolest day post-storm will be Monday with a high of 60. Dean?
All right, Mark, thank you.